Hello everyone, my name is Brady Hazlett. I'm an application engineer here at 3M, and today I'm going to go through the H.O conversion of the performance spray gun. So first you'll need to have the performance spray gun, and you'll need to remove the shaping air knob assembly. So to do that, you'll need to remove the side screws with a 5/64 Allen. I'll go ahead and do that. Once the screws are removed, you can back that assembly out of the gun. Then you'll need to remove the hook so you can put that onto the new part. So with this part, it is reversible. Since I'm right-handed, I'll orient it that way. And then you'll slip that in. Sometimes it helps to lubricate those O-rings, which I've already done. You can slip that in to the back of the gun and then reinsert those side screws. Once they're reinserted, you're ready to set up the cup. First, you'll need the H.O hard cup. I'm using the large size, which will take large liners or standard liners. We also have the midi size available for the H.O, and this will take midi, mini, or even micro liners. So the next step would be insert the liner you're going to be using, and then you'll need to get started preparing the lid. First thing you'll do is remove the locking collar from the lid. And optionally, if you're going to be spraying a viscous coating and you don't want to use a filter mesh, that filter mesh can be removed as well. Once that's removed, insert the lid onto the cup, and then grab the H.O locking collar and secure that as well. Once your cup is assembled, of course we would have a coating mixed and ready to spray. You'll grab the gun and attach it, always holding it by the atomizing head, and lock that to ensure that you have a 4-point connection. Once that's connected, the next step is to attach the pressure line to the gun. And at this point, it's worth noting, this is your adjustment for the amount of air going up to the cup on the outside of that liner, which will affect how much coating is coming out of the gun. If you open it all the way, that's the max flow. Then turning it clockwise in, you can actually go all the way to no flow. Once you're done with your viscous coatings, we'll show you conversion back for top coat applications. So the first step is to invert the gun, remove the air line supplying the H.O cup, pull the trigger on the gun this allows any air to go back in and bleed through into the cup. And it helps tap that on a work surface and allow that coating to flow back into the cup and reinflate that liner. Once it's bled back in, you go ahead and remove the nozzle from the cup and set that aside. Remove the nozzle you were using. Of course, you can either clean or throw that away. Be sure to wipe off your needle. Grab the appropriate nozzle for the top coat you'll be applying. Lock that onto the gun. And go ahead and grab your PPS 2.0 cup with your material ready to spray. And the next step is to ensure that the H.O valve is completely closed so that no air is bleeding out of the fitting.